Hey everyone, Johnny Daytrack Avenue here. So that thumping, knocking noise that you heard is usually the fault of the pinch roller. I mean, it can be the reel sometimes, but usually it's an out of round pinch roller. And in this case, if you looked closely, you could see that the cart was moving from side to side a little bit while it was being played. So that's usually also a telltale sign that the pinch roller is a little bit out of whack. Now on this particular cart, let's open this up here. This is a Capital. Sometimes these have a screw in the middle. Most of the time they don't, so just flip it over before you go to open it. If there was a screw on the other side, you would see the bottom of it here. So this will save you from needlessly cutting the label to try and remove the screw that isn't there oftentimes. So just flip it over, check to see if there actually is a screw before you cut the label here. I'm going to use my snap ring pliers, squeeze either side of the cart, pop it up, pop this up, and this will only use a pinch roller from either another Capital cart like this one or from a Warner cart that has the foam pads. So it's always a good idea to save these if you have cartridges where the tape is bad. If you're going to toss them out, make sure you save parts like the pinch rollers and stuff. So I'm going to pop this one out. And this could take more than one try because I don't know if this pinch roller is any good or not. So it may take more than one try here, because you may have another bad one that you're putting in there. Okay, pop that in. Put this back on. And with these two, before you snap the top back in, it's good to make sure you push the tape kind of forward towards this end of the cart before you snap it together, because oftentimes it'll get pinched if you don't when you snap this back. Snap that back in, make sure this is freely moving. It is, and then I'll just pop it in and see if that fixed the problem. Alright, there you go. Nice and quiet. No lumping, no thumping, none of that. So, hope this was helpful to someone. Thanks for watching.